The ongoing conflict in the Middle East has caused a sharp increase in sea freight rates and maritime transport costs. Shipping disruptions have extended delivery times by 10 to 15 days, and freight rate has increased from $2,000 to $4,000 per container. Wood and furniture companies have been adjusting their production and market strategies to adapt to the situation. Our reporter Thanh Ha has the story.
The prices for wood panels like these have risen about 20% since April. And with a 100 square meter home, the cost for wood could be up to $2,000. And most of this wood materials are imported. So with the Middle East conflict pushing up transport costs and weakening exchange rate, even the materials that build our homes are now more expensive.
The price of high-quality wood materials like MDF and laminate has increased a lot compared to late last year, which leads to higher construction costs. Right now, I have 2 projects delayed because of increased prices.
In addition to premium imported product lines that use specialized adhesives and undergo stringent manufacturing processes, several engineered wood products are also manufactured in Vietnam. This enables greater production autonomy through the use of plantation-grown timber, better control over product quality, and more cost-effective operations.
Vietnam is in no way behind other countries in the world in terms of applying modern science and technology in processing and production of engineered wood materials. If we invest more in product designs, we could become even more competitive.
Flexibility is also key for wood and furniture businesses looking to capitalize on their advantages and overcome current difficulties.
The common measurements of wood panels nowadays are 1.2 meters by 2.4 meters, so we've been trying our best to optimize our designs, not wasting even 1 centimeter of a wood panel.
We are working closely with factories and distributors to diversify supply sources, increase inventory reserves, and produce in larger batches in order to reduce operating costs. We have also been cutting down our profit margins and suggesting temporary alternative materials for customers.
Thanks to advanced technology, engineered wood products can now withstand extreme tropical conditions with high temperatures and humidity. In some cases, they even outperform natural wood. As a result, these materials are becoming increasingly popular in tropical countries like Vietnam.